Let me quickly show you how to check SoundCloud Insights. SoundCloud Insights gives you valuable data on how your audience is interacting or how your content is performing inside of SoundCloud. The way that you view insights is through the profile section. If you click on the arrow on the top right of the screen, head over to profile. It's going to show you all of these songs or music that you've uploaded inside of SoundCloud. To view the insights of a particular song or a music, just head over to it and then click on the three dot line and you'll have the option called Your Insights. Now this feature inside of SoundCloud gives you information about the number of plays, the likes, comments, reposts, and downloads a particular song that you uploaded has. Apart from this, you also have the data of your top listeners, the top locations they are from, and all of the sources that you got your listeners from. So by using the insight section of SoundCloud, you can get all of these information that you can use and to know how your content is doing or performing inside of SoundCloud. If you are interested in more future videos just like this, make sure you hit that notification bell and also subscribe to this channel. That's going to be all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.